Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some really easy and affordable DIY cleaners. These are great because they're eco-friendly and can be made with things that are probably just laying around your house. The first thing we're going to be making is this dusting solution, which I absolutely loved. For this one, I am going to be using a glass bottle because I will be adding a few drops of essential oil. If you want to use essential oils, make sure your bottle is glass just so that it does not erode the plastic when you put the essential oil in there. And I just grabbed this one in particular from the Grove Collaborative website, but Amazon sells them as well. So for this one, I'm actually going to start with 2 teaspoons of olive oil, which is nice because it adds a polish once you dust, and then 1/4 of a cup of white distilled vinegar, and then just some warm water. This is just 1 cup of warm water, and then you can actually just go ahead and add the juice of a lemon. I didn't have one, so this is where I'm going to be adding a lemon essential oil, and it really helps with the fresh scent, and it helps kind of mask the scent of the vinegar. Shake it up really well. This one does separate quite a bit when you leave it, so make sure you shake it before every use. But I thought it worked beautifully. I just sprayed it directly onto a dry cloth and it got the job done. I was really happy with this one. Next, we're making an all-purpose cleaner, and this is great for most surfaces. Just watch out with granite and marble because it does have vinegar inside of it and that can erode the finish over time. And I grabbed this cute little spray bottle at the dollar spot at Target. They actually had a whole bunch of spring cleaning supplies, which was really fun. So this was only $1. For this one, you're going to start with baking soda and you're going to use 2 tablespoons. It also calls for a dash, like about a 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's just because it's plant-based as well. Then you're going to add about 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, and once it combines with the baking soda, it is going to bubble and get so frothy. So add this really slowly. I actually forgot about this. I use baking soda and vinegar to clean my sink, and I just wasn't thinking about it. I forgot how bubbly this gets. So it's kind of like a science experiment. It gets very, very frothy, and before I added the water, I knew this was just going to be a total mess. So I had to take it over to the sink and then add about 4 cups of water, and then you're just going to shake this up. I love to wipe down my cabinets in my kitchen. They just get so dirty with food and fingerprints. Again, I just used a damp cloth and I thought this worked great. If you do have granite in your house and you do want a specific spray for it, just to clean it and polish it really beautifully, I loved this recipe. Again, I used a glass bottle from Grove Collaborative, but this one doesn't have any essential oil, so you don't have to use glass. But this one is actually going to call for rubbing alcohol, about a 1/2 cup, and it is quite strong when you spray it. However, it doesn't leave the scent behind on the countertop. So it's just when you're spraying it, you smell it, and then the scent completely goes away. So don't be alarmed if you smell it at first. Then you're going to add just a few drops of dish soap, only a little bit. A tiny bit goes a long way on this one. And then you're actually just going to add 2 cups of warm water, lukewarm water, to this and shake it up, and you're ready to go. Finally, we're going to be making a toilet bowl cleaner. This one was potentially the easiest, and I still found it very effective. So for this recipe, you're just going to need baking soda, some borax, which I also love to use in my laundry, and some distilled white vinegar. So all you're going to do is dump 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, followed by 1/4 of a cup of borax, and then 1 entire cup of vinegar. And again, you're just gonna have this really fun, frothy, bubbly solution, take your toilet bowl cleaner or wand and just go ahead and scrub away. Then you're going to not flush this and leave it for about 30 minutes, and I thought my toilet looked beautiful after this. That is going to complete today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!